Welcome to working with NDK in Code on the Go, or as we'll call it from here on, CoGo. In this video, we're going to create an Android project that calls a C++ function and displays the result on screen. NDK stands for Native Development Kit. It lets you write parts of your app in C++, which is compiled into native machine code that runs on the device. This makes it well suited for performance-intensive tasks, working with existing C++ libraries, or crafting more precise behaviors and algorithms. Before proceeding, please note that CoGo handles NDK support as a plugin that you must install through the Plugin Manager. The plugin provides a dedicated NDK project template that sets everything up for us. Let's use it. From the home screen, tap the button to create a new project. On the template selection screen, choose the NDK template. On the project setup screen, fill in your details. We're naming this project Hello NDK. Make a note of your package name. We'll see it again inside the C++ code. Use the default save location, select Java as the language, and leave the minimum SDK as is. Now, tap Create Project. CoGo will generate your project files and open the IDE. Once the project is open, tap the hamburger icon to open the file tree. Navigate to App, then SRC, then Main. You'll notice a CPP folder has already been created. This is where the C++ code exists. Inside it, you'll find two files, CMakeLists.txt and native-lib.cpp. Open CMakeLists.txt. This is the build script that tells CMake how to compile our C++ code. The template has already configured it to build a shared library from native-lib.cpp. Notice it also links the Android log library, which is useful for debugging native code. Now let's look at native-lib.cpp. This is where our C++ function exists. The function name follows a strict JNI naming convention. It starts with Java, followed by the package name, the class name, and the method name, all separated by underscores. The function returns AJ string, the JNI type for a Java string, containing the text, "Hello from C++." This naming convention is critical. If any part of it doesn't match your package name, class name, or method name exactly, Java won't be able to find the function at runtime. We'll come back to this in a future video on common NDK mistakes. Now let's open mainActivity.java. The template has already added two things for us. First, a static block that loads the native library when the class is loaded. Second, a native method declaration. The native keyword tells Java that the actual implementation exists in C++, not here. In the onCreate method, the result of calling that native method is already being passed to a text view for display. The template has wired everything together for us. Let's build and run. When you tap the build icon, CoGo will compile the Java code, invoke CMake to compile the C++ code into native machine code, link everything together, and install the app on your device. There it is. Hello from C++ displayed on screen, returned from a C++ function running natively on your Android device. Let's recap. We created a new project using CoGo's NDK template, which set up the CMake build script, the C++ source file, and the Java bindings automatically. We looked at how the JNI function name connects the C++ code to Java, and we built and ran the app successfully. In the next video, we'll look at some common mistakes developers make when working with the NDK for the first time, and exactly how to fix them. Thanks for watching.